The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We can also serve you completely virtually. Please enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Commercial leases are different from residential leases in that the terms of commercial leases can be more complicated and left up to the parties to negotiate. Because the law assumes that parties to a commercial lease have more bargaining power, leases tend to be for much longer periods of time, and the responsibilities and obligations of the parties may be laid out in more detail. In this article, we will discuss mistakes to avoid in Wisconsin commercial leases, including insufficient due diligence, lack of planning for the future, taking on too much debt, failing to seek advice, and not accounting for size and location. First, let's talk about insufficient due diligence. Due diligence in this context generally refers to the steps taken by a buyer to appraise the property for value and inspect the property for issues that would cost money to fix or impair the buyer's ability to use the property for its intended use, or sell the property in the future. It is a good idea to be thorough, from roof, floor, foundation, plumbing and electrical, HVAC, and anything else. Getting the property to where you need it to be could be a significant expense. Zoning is another thing to watch out for. If you are unable to use the property for its intended purpose, you will have a problem. Next, we have lack of planning for the future. Risks and unforeseen expenses are unavoidable. The best thing you can do is plan for them. It is common for estimates of profitability to include unanticipated lost profits, vacancies, and other currently unknown expenses. There is certainly more to consider than rent or mortgage payments. Property taxes will be part of such expenses. After purchasing a property, your property taxes may increase, especially if the purchase price is higher than the property's previously assessed value. What is your exit strategy? You might have found a good investment, but years down the road you might have different priorities or want to change. On to taking on too much debt. Debt is not necessarily a bad thing. It can be a useful tool. However, too much can be dangerous. If you or the entity you have created have taken on too much debt and it becomes difficult to pay the interest, principal, and/or operating expenses, you will have a problem. If it is not possible to restructure or otherwise recover from too much debt, the problems could lead to bankruptcy for the person or entity that owns the real estate. Something that many real estate professionals do is create separate legal entities, such as an LLC, for their investments or projects. If you can secure financing, this is a great way to protect your assets if one investment does not work out. Not accounting for size and location. Knowing what you need and making sure that the property you will have is suited to those needs is important. For some businesses, location can be extremely important. You might be able to get information from the building's current owner or nearby businesses to help give you a better idea of what to expect. Size might also be a worthy consideration. If your business is likely to expand, you may want a space that you can grow into rather than grow out of. Buying and selling property takes time and money, so if you can limit the number of transactions that you go through, you will likely be able to save yourself more. To learn more, check out our article linked below, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and can be conducted remotely if you'd like. You can email us, book online, or call us at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Wisconsin. Thanks again for watching.